So I wanted to ask you guys, is anybody else having a crazy spring so far? I know I can't be the only one. Weather-wise, it's been really crazy. It's windy one day, it's warm one day, and then the next day it's cold and rainy. I mean, there's no happy medium. It's been really tough this season so far to get things kicked off and started the way that we like to, just because of the unpredictable weather. So I just want to know, are you guys having the same problem out there? Because I know I really can't be the only one, in my opinion. This weather in Massachusetts has been really crazy. But somehow, some way, we always find a way to muscle through it. You know, especially with the wind. The spring cleanups have been so much harder because of the wind. But we've been managing to do them. It's just taking a little longer to get them done. So we're just pulling into the dump now. I'm gonna dump the truck. Get rid of this load here. Smashed in there. Alright, so my luck, it all didn't come out. So we'll see if I can eat it out with the shovel. It's all just compacted in there. Good enough. So I'm gonna get loaded up with more crap tomorrow, so good enough for me. Good morning, everybody. Brandon from Burns Lawn Care. Thanks for tuning in again for another video. Today we got a couple cleanups to do and a whole bunch of lawn mowing. So me and Renee are going to take you with us. Stay tuned. So we're gonna do a spring cleanup on this property. Hasn't had one yet. Grass is pretty tall. Really not a whole lot to clean up.
But no fertilization back there.
Nope, no fertilization back here. All right. Easy property to do. We should be in and out in a couple hours. Try to get some good shots for you guys. Let's get it.
Shannon is just doing the final blow down now. And we're on to the next one.
All right, guys, we're at our last stop of the day. This is a new customer that signed up for weekly mowing yesterday. Take a look. It's a beautiful yard. We're gonna cut it, edge it, stripe it. Nice lawn.
All right, let me check out the backyard, see what's going on back there.
Sure. There's the backyard.
Oh, having a fire.
Oh, cool. So I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but it's pretty tall. Definitely overgrown. It's gonna come out nice when it's done. We're at a property of ours for a spring cleanup this morning. Pretty easy cleanup, really not too big. We're gonna do a walk around and show you what we got going on. So this is a property we service. They use us for pretty much everything. Great people, great property. We're here to do a spring cleanup today. Small one. Even though it's a big property, there's not a whole lot of debris here. Cool, not a whole lot going on. Not bad.
Good.
Oh, okay. So over the winter we had a big blizzard, and I ended up sliding down the driveway and did a little damage to the lawn. So
when you fill this in, look at this. They must have had to replace this one.
oh, okay. The customer didn't ask us to fix it, but we're going to, just because we don't leave damage on anybody's property. Sometimes it happens. You know, you try your best to avoid damage, but sometimes there's just no avoiding it. So we'll throw some loam in there and some grass seed, and you never know what's been damaged.